So welcome back. Today's words gonna be lubić, to like. Okay, let's start. In the present, ja lubię, ty lubisz, on lubi, ona or ono, my lubimy, wy lubicie, oni, one lubią. The past form, as we said earlier, you only add the ending, the typical ending that we add for each verb. You remove the C and you add wem, wam, wesh, wash, the w, wa, and so on. I'm not going to repeat them every time. Okay. Now, the future. Będę lubił. Of course, don't forget, as we always say, the third person and the past. We add it in front of będę or będziesz, będzie, będziemy, depending on the person. Yes. And then the conditional is the same as the future, like będę, whatever. However, I use the third person group in the past. I put it in front and then I add bim to it, or bish, or bi, or bishme. I explained this in the conditional. You're welcome to visit it and see what's going on if you don't know what conditional is. Okay, so the imperative, I'd like to focus on it because they kind of change each time. So here lubić becomes lub. So te lub, you like, you have to like, or whatever. It's like an imperative, it's like an order. Niech lubi, as we said, niech means let him, or let her, or let it. Niech lubi, let him like. Lubmy, let's like. Lubcie, you should like. You know, they might not be used, but however, I need to say them. Niech lubią, let them like. The gerund of this verb, which is the name, lubienie, the liking. They kind of are the same. Like this form is the same for many verbs. And it doesn't have an iterative verb. Let's go to the perfective aspect. So the imperfective aspect is the continuous aspect, more like lubiłem, for example, I was liking. However, here it's gonna be more perfective. Polubiłem, it's gonna be I liked. So that's the difference between the perfective and the imperfective. And polubić, actually, I would like to replace to like with to grow fond of, or that's something I don't like, and then I will like. So if I tell you, would you like to eat, so I don't know, chicken with ketchup, you say, I don't like it, and then I'll say, you like it, so you will like it in the future. However, here, the future of the imperfective is kind of different. Here, as if you're saying, you're gonna be liking it. So it's like, you know and I know that you're gonna be liking it, but I'm just like adding to it. So it actually really depends on the context. However, the conjugation of the word polubić is the same. All you have to do is add po to the beginning. So I'm not gonna go over it again because it's exactly the same. And it doesn't have a gerund, and it doesn't have an iterative verb, so this makes it a whole lot easier. And I would like to keep my videos short. If there is any question, you can ask me in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment, and click the bell icon when you subscribe so that you can receive all my videos, my notifications. So see you soon.